Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will show you how to create half wainscoting like this picture. Okay, we're going to create something like this. Alright, so we're going to use free modeling function. Okay, you can go inside free modeling. Okay, and then we're going to draw the rectangle first. Okay, first things first, you can add auxiliary line as a guideline for you. Okay, you can connect from midpoint to midpoint. Okay, one line here. And then you can add another auxiliary line up here. Okay, midpoint to midpoint. Okay, then next you can draw rectangle. Okay, draw rectangle at the wall. Okay, you can see down there got dimension. Okay, so the length I'll put 600, and then you can press tab button. Then width I put 1000. Okay, and then click enter. Alright, so next when you copy the rectangle, you can click move button, okay, and then press shift button on your keyboard. Alright, and then you can select this rectangle and move it to the side. Okay, you can move it. Okay, copy to the other side. Okay, done. Okay, right click to cancel. So this is how it looks like. Next, we're gonna do loft. Okay, you can select this surface and go to loft. So here I'll go to decorative line. You can select any pattern you like. Okay, so I'll be using this one. Okay, this one. Okay, you can select the loft and edit it. Okay, you see down here, you can edit the sizing. Okay, so you can untick proportion first. Okay, untick proportion here. Okay, so I'll set it to 40. Okay, you can also flip it. Okay, this one horizontal mirroring. Okay, you can mirror and flip the loft. Okay, this one. Okay, I use this one. Alright, next you can do the same thing on the surface. Okay, you can select this rectangle over here. Okay, select this rectangle and then go to loft. Okay, select the same pattern, or if you want to use different pattern also can. Okay, same thing, untick proportion and adjust the sizing. Okay, remember to flip it so you can see the pattern. Alright. Okay, so basically you did the same thing to the rest rectangle. Okay, fast forward. Okay, do the same thing, same step. Okay, don't forget to adjust the sizing and rotate, sorry, flip it. Okay, so you can see the pattern. Alright, done. Okay, next we're gonna do path takeout. Okay, so this one you need to draw one line, one straight line here, endpoint to endpoint, then right click to cancel. Okay, so this one you can choose different pattern. Okay, I will be using this one. Okay, different pattern. Okay, so you can click on the loft. Okay, remember flip it. Okay, so you can see the pattern. If you want to adjust the size also can. Okay, remember untick proportion. This one, untick proportion, so you can adjust the sizing one by one. Okay, done. Okay, so if you have done, you can click return. This is how it looks like. Okay, so you can go to library to drag texture. Okay, go to library. you can go to Universal Material Library, okay, or you can go to Wallpaper. Okay, this one got pattern flowers, stripe pattern, or if you want plain color, you can go to lacquers. Okay, lacquered. Right, then just drag the color to the loft. Okay, I'll be using this brown color. Okay, just drag it to the loft and it will change color. Okay, so do the same thing to the rest loft. Okay, just drag the color. Okay, then next you can drag any color to the wall. Okay, then you can try split the color. Okay, split the wall. You can see here got a scissor icon. Okay, you can go to horizontal split. Okay, and then split it on the wall here. Okay, you can select the line, adjust the height here. Okay, so let's say I adjust down here 1600. Click enter. Okay, or you can just select the line and drag it up and down like this. Okay, you can either adjust the height or drag the line, right? So once you have cut the wall, you can drag different color. Okay, so it will split like this. Okay, one more thing, you can delete the surface in free modeling. Okay, you see here when you move your camera, you can see overlapping surface, this white color here. Okay, you can go back to free modeling, select each surface here and delete it. Okay, just press delete button. Okay, select this rectangle and delete. Alright, then you can click return. So this is how it looks like, normal overlapping surface. Okay, alright, so then you can try drag wallpaper. Okay, drag any wallpaper if you want textured wallpaper like this. Okay, this one got flower. Okay, you can also adjust the wallpaper. Okay, just select it. Okay, select it, and then you can see inside the product information, you can adjust the width and height. You can untick proportion, so you can adjust one by one. Okay, you can adjust the width and height one by one. If you want to rotate also can. This one is rotate. Down here, Y offset move outward, X offset is move to the left and right. Okay, so that's how you adjust the wallpaper. Alright, so you guys can try first. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.